camera roll.
Yeah. I guess I don't have to use it. Okay, I just now realized we have to take the gate off to stretch it, which is whatever. Hopefully, we're hoping to get this thing stretched and tied before it hits 90, so let's see how that goes. Temps have gone up 10 degrees in the hour we've been doing this, so once again we're stopping for the day. Okay, we didn't get done yesterday because it shot up 10 degrees and I got sick because it was too hot. It's like 6:30, 7 o'clock in the morning. I think it's only about 85 so far. I have to get these two wooden posts nailed in and then tie down the T-post. So fingers crossed I can get that done this morning before it heats up. Forgot this post was already done. Alright, next is tying up the T-posts. I don't have a fence tool, the kind you twist the ties. I'm going to try using this. It is nail clippers from the dollar store. This hole is where the magic's going to happen. And I tried it last night and it works. Because we couldn't find the regular tool. Plus it's $15 and this is only one. Okay, all we have to do next is stake down the bottom to put the dogs in. We're going to stake that up down the bottom, but we're going to wait for the monsoon to come so the ground's softer. Because when we use landscaping cloth staples, they just bend, so we're going to wait for it to rain. But we can still put the dogs in here. We're also going to run probably 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch hardware cloth on the bottom to act as a snake barrier. It won't keep snakes out 100%, but it will really dissuade them from trying to get in here. Are you ready for our birthday? You ready for your birthday? Whoa, what is that? Are you ready?
Look, Chuck.
Because it's your birthday.
It's your birthday. You ready to blow it out?
It's your happy birthday.
Happy Gotcha Day, or
Oh,
birthday.
good boy.
Yummy apple pie. Now we'll get everybody else in on here.
Just for him.
Yeah.
Look back this
Here I go. You get one. McNuggets.
Chuck, do you want a cheese? Is this a double?
Yeah.
You got fancy. Chuck, do you want a McDouble? Look, it's your birthday. Chuck.
Oh my God.
Oh, what a good boy. Yes. Holy crap, that was a huge bite.
Hey.
Stop. You gotta eat the pickle? All the back, you get the pickle. Yes, it is your birthday. Good boy! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Chuck. Smalls and Corey.
Way to turn
This'll
9.
be their food today.
Way to turn 9.
That's it for this one.
You just burped like that.
Oh my God, more chicken
Good
nuggets.
boy. Good job. Everybody has
Go.
a birthday.
Good boy.
Whatever, give me that.
Ooh.
Oh, make sure you're actually chewing. I'll start squirting.
There you go, last chunk.
Yay, happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Chuck. We have to beat Crow
Yeah.
actual.
Chuck. Sit. Sit. Good boy. Yay, it's your birthday.